Welcome to Smart Tech Subs channel. Have you ever wondered what impacts the price of your favorite chocolate bar? Well, the answer lies in the humble cocoa bean, a key ingredient in chocolate production. Recently, a surge in cocoa prices has been making headlines, particularly in Papua New Guinea, where the cost of this crucial crop has reached new heights. This sweet surge, as it's being called, is not a random occurrence. It's the result of a complex interplay of factors, chief among them being adverse weather conditions in West Africa. This region, a significant player in the global cocoa market, has been grappling with the detrimental effects of El Niño, a weather phenomenon known for its disruptive impacts on agriculture. For cocoa farmers in West Africa, El Niño means more than just unpredictable weather. It's a significant threat to their livelihoods, with rising temperatures and shifting rainfall patterns posing serious challenges to cocoa pod development. The prolonged El Niño period has even reduced the amount of arable land available for cocoa cultivation, leading to supply deficits. The ripple effects of these climatic changes are felt far beyond West Africa. They've triggered a hike in cocoa prices that is expected to persist for the next 9 months at least. This price surge has potential global implications, with chocolate lovers around the world possibly having to dig deeper into their pockets to satisfy their sweet cravings. But it's not all doom and gloom. For Papua New Guinea, this price hike presents an opportunity. The country's agriculture company CEO suggests that farmers should capitalize on the current market conditions by investing in post-harvest processing facilities and upping their quality standards. By doing so, they can make the most of the high prices and ensure their cocoa meets the demands of an increasingly discerning global market. In summary, the surge in cocoa prices is a result of weather disruptions in West Africa, driven by the El Niño phenomenon. The price hike, expected to last until late 2024, could lead to increased global chocolate prices. However, for countries like Papua New Guinea, it presents an opportunity to improve their cocoa production and benefit from the current market conditions. So, the next time you bite into a chocolate bar, remember the journey of the cocoa bean. And perhaps spare a thought for the farmers who brave the elements to bring you your favorite sweet treat. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to never miss out on our latest uploads.